In this day and age, it's kind of hard not to have a car to go from point A to point B. And whether that be getting from work or school, taking a vacation to your favorite spot, or just making a road trip with your friends and family. And when we practically live in our cars day in and day out, there comes a time when you have the urge or even the need to make things more convenient while in your four-wheeled home, as it were. Which is why today, we're going to be going over the top 3 most popular car accessories, so as to help you to be able to have a much less stressful car driving or riding experience. Beginning our list of the most popular car accessories to help make your driving experience easier, we have the Thisworx car vacuum cleaner. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, and no, this isn't some massive vacuum that's going to be taking up the whole backside of the trunk. In fact, the Thisworx vacuum cleaner is surprisingly compact while still packing a powerful punch. Coming in at a super lightweight 2.4 pounds and just 13 inches, the Thisworx vacuum cleaner is both easy to use and easy to store in just about any car. And thanks to the large dustbin capacity, it's already ready for ash, dust, or drive-through food spills. The Thisworx car vacuum cleaner is practically a fully loaded interior car detailing kit housed in an ergonomic design. So, no matter what you throw at it, the Thisworx vacuum cleaner is made for on-the-go use and to solve out-of-reach problems. A very sandy day at the beach, maybe a coat of dog hair. The portable vacuum cleaner for the car is designed to suck up every last crumb or any sort of fuzzlet that the car vacuum cleaners that you get at normal places would miss. And all of that is thanks in part to the cyclonic force and strong suction of the 106-watt motor, which will terminate any dirt or debris. So say goodbye to hard-to-reach crumbs stuck around the driver's seat. The Thisworx car vacuum cleaner mini car vacuum even has a top-of-the-line washable HEPA filter, giving you peace of mind in knowing that you are cleaning without all sorts of chemicals that could harm your health. Included with the car cleaning kit, you will find 3 attachments: a flathead, extendable, or brush nozzle for detailing, carry bag, a brush filter, and a spare HEPA filter, giving the full car cleaning experience without having to drive out to your furthest detail shop to get that same professional work done. Something else that is a game changer with the Thisworx car vacuum cleaner is that the battery lasts a really long time and uses a 12-volt aux outlet power so as to give you both a long-lasting charge and strong battery for the entire clean. And if you ever do need to clean while you charge, the 16-foot cord gives you the slack that you need in order to clean the back seats or trunk without any snag. By the way, today's sponsor is Total AV. Total AV is consistently the top choice to be able to protect all your household devices, computers, laptops, and smartphones from any sort of viruses, malware, and hackers. You can check out the description for our full review, along with an exclusive 80% discount if you're interested. Next up for our great accessories to add to your car is the Hotor car trash can with lid and storage pockets. Whenever you're on those long road trips, it can be a challenge to try to keep your car clean, especially when the nearest trash can might be hundreds of miles down the road at the nearest Shell or 7-Eleven station. But with a Hotor car trash can, you can now keep those chip bags out of your lap and into the garbage where they belong. This nifty little trash can comes with storage pockets and even features an adjustable strap that allows it to be attached on both front and back headrests, as well as the center console for easy access for all-around use. Coupled with a collapsible design, you will greatly benefit from functional convenience of this auto trash container. The garbage can for your car is even made of waterproof and leak-proof material, meaning that no more random stains on the carpet. And if something does get on it, the Hotor car trash can with lid and storage pockets is super easy to clean and wash, so no more worrying about food spills or other stubborn stains. The Hotor car trash can with lid and storage pockets is such an effective solution for people with the needs of having to have a neat and organized car interior. It perfectly fits for a variety of types, including sedans, SUVs, trucks, and so much more. Hotor takes every conceivable possibility into account, so that way you know that you can take this to any car that you drive and be able to conveniently have it hang on any place you want to put it. Last and certainly not least on our list of the most popular car accessories, we have the drop stop. Now, if you're anything like me, chances are that you've had plenty of times where you've put your phone on your lap, and when taking that sharp turn, or maybe just by accident, you've knocked your phone off into the dark abyss of the space between your chair. Well, don't worry any longer, because with the drop stop, those days are over. The drop stop provides 100% gap coverage in front of, surrounding, and behind seat belts, so as to catch anything and everything that drops into it. The stop drop attaches to the seat belt catch via the slot and can move with seat, meaning that there's no need to readjust it or reinstall it. Each package comes with 2 drop stops, one for the driver's side and the passenger's side, and not only that, but once you order the package deal, you'll be sent 2 bonus gifts, a slide-free pad and an LED credit card light. Plus, these things are made of high-grade neoprene casting, which allows the drop stop to contract or expand to whatever size gap that you might have. What is also super nifty is how there's always a dark shadow, so that way whenever you install the drop stop, you're never going to know that it's there until it stops the drop. So there you have it, folks. Those are our top 3 picks for the most popular car accessories on the market. Which one of these do you want to go out and grab for your car in order to make your 4-wheeled lifestyle much more comfortable? And are there any other car accessories that we missed that you think should have been on our list? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up if you like what we do. Plus, subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews and content just like this. Not to mention that if you do want to grab yourself any of the products that we covered in today's video, you can check them out in the description below if you want to pick them up. Plus, if you want to check out more amazing product reviews by us, then go ahead and click on one of these videos here to be able to learn more. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later.